Okay, for number 19, right? For number 19, it's also very important because it was one of the bonus questions, but it will be an actual question on the test. Right now, again, it's all about breaking down numbers first. We want to break down with the perfect cubed numbers. And so I got 8. 8 is 2 cube. The next one probably we use 64 times 2 for 128. Okay. So cube root of 8 becomes this. All right. Cube root of 8 becomes 2, and then 2x squared is just left behind. Cube root of 64, it's 4, and then you have 2x squared left behind. And they are like terms, so therefore you can combine them and say, hey, we can do something like this. Now, there's nothing to solve right here because it's not really an equation. It's just an expression. But they're like terms, so you can combine them, and that is your final answer. Okay, so these numbers here, they are not going to be the perfect cube that you may want to see, but they are related to the perfect cube. So you could still see them. Okay, you can still get them. Okay.